After a long wait, my office is done. So why don't we go and check it out? All right, so my office is down a little hallway, and I've got a couple of things going on here. The first is I have a workstation. This is where I write. I've been doing this for a couple of days, and it's been pretty fantastic, actually. And then over here, I am in the process of setting up a podcast studio. Please excuse the absolutely horrendous cable management. All that's going to be fixed up before Thursday when we're going to have our first podcast. Speaking of, if you're interested in listening to a podcast on world building, well, that's what we have. We have a delightful podcast on world building called the Worldcraft Club. There are going to be episodes coming to YouTube soon. That's why we're setting up the studio. We've been recording everything audio only up until now, but we're interested in getting into video. I'm starting to do the whole YouTube thing, so I figure why not? Let's give it a try. So if you're interested, there will be a link down in the description below. But let's continue with our tour. All right, so here we have my desk. This is my second desk. I use this for all of my business stuff. I play video games here. I will be streaming here in the not too distant future as well. And that's my water bottle. And then over here, I have a giant pile of trash. All of these boxes were things that I needed for this podcast studio. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I have a pretty standard books, all my TTRPG stuff up there. Cool built-in bookshelf over there. Sweet Boba Fett poster. Oh yeah, signed artwork, love it. You've probably seen that before. But then we have one more really fun thing to show you. And this is something that I had asked for and didn't actually know if I'd be able to get. And that is that this bookshelf, which only has a few books on it so far, is actually a doorway. Let's see if we can get it open. Dun, dun, dun. There's a secret room back there, but I'm not going to show you what it is because it's not finished. Once it's finished, I will show you what it is. But that's going to be pretty much just a... Oh, why am I telling you? I shouldn't tell you. I just said I wasn't going to show you, and now I'm going to tell you? No. You're going to have to wait for a future office update video. So that is my office. And it's pretty sweet. I really like it. It's very quiet. It's soundproofed and in like multiple ways. And it's pretty cool. And yeah, I'll be starting to film videos in here, and I'll be, like I said, I'll be streaming writing sprints for some of my friends and for the general public, anybody who wants to jump on. So if you're interested, that's going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks. And then I do my writing down here as well, and it is awesome. Hope you're having a wonderful day and a good week, and I'll catch you later.